So, I had a double from Western Bagel. It ended up being, like, forgot how much, 30 something for both. Anyways, so I started off with a Western Bagel. It was a $10 and something Western Bagel. No, Grubhub came first. So I had a Grubhub from Marmalade Cafe, 13 something. So I go there, it's not ready. They said like 10 more minutes. I'm like, okay, great. Then I get a $10 Doordash delivering to the very same neighborhood where the Marmalade guy lived. So, okay, awesome. So I go ahead, I accept that. That was like $10.25. The first one was like 13 something. So I ran over to Western Bagel, which was just, across the street kind of. Picked that up. While I'm there picking it up, I get another add-on for Western Bagel for $20. And it said an extra 6 or 7 miles or something. I'm going, oh my God. I'm like, where is it? It didn't click in my head where it was. Or I didn't remember where I was going. Anyways, it was the opposite way, which, oh my God. Anyways, I already accepted it. I don't remember accepting it, which is so weird. I thought I declined it, but I think I accepted it. I think I pressed accept by mistake. Anyways, I don't know. Anyways, I ended up with that one too. So that one wasn't ready yet, but that was fine. So wait a couple minutes, that one was ready. So I got both of those bagel orders in the car, went back to Marmalade. That one still wasn't ready. I had to wait 2 or 3 more minutes, pick that one up. So then I dropped off the Marmalade, and the one Western Bagel was in the exact same neighborhood. Like, you just had to turn like down 3 streets. So that was great. 2 minutes maybe. Dropped both of those off. And then I had to go on the freeway to get to the other location where the other bagel one was. So it was, maybe 10 minutes to that person. I don't generally take those, and I felt really bad. And she was outside waiting, and I'm like, oh my God, she's going to be mad. And I apologize that I don't usually take the stacked orders when they're not, going in the same neighborhood. She goes, oh, it's fine. It's just bagels. Don't worry. La, 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 la. And so anyways, I was a little worried that she was going to be mad, but she was fine. She didn't seem to care at all. So, badass breakfast burritos. Where is this one going? Oh, that's going really far. Okay, so that one I'm not taking. It's going very far. But, wow. I'll take a screenshot of it. Decline that. Too far. Anyways, so the bagel lady, she was fine. So then after the bagels, oh gosh, yes. So I'm not sure if I taped this whole interaction last time at Denny's, or if I told you about it, but there was this guy named Alex that ordered from Denny's. So I arrived to Denny's. This was last time. I don't remember when it was. A couple weeks ago, maybe last week. I don't even remember. Anyway, so I arrived, and the guy's like, oh, I don't even have an order from Alex. I'm like, what? I'm like, it's right here. It's supposed to be ready. He goes, oh, it's on the app. Oh, okay, we'll start it right now. I'm like, how long is it going to take? He goes, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. I'm like, oh my God. Okay, so I go sit in my car, and I'm texting the customer, telling him what's going on. It was kind of a slow morning, and I hadn't received anything else. I'm like, well, I'll just sit here and wait. If nothing else comes, I'll just wait for this food. Anyways, then I got a Doordash for McDonald's or something. Went off, did that, came back. Food was still not ready. So I texted the customer. I'm like, oh my God, food's still not ready. He said 5 more minutes. They're like, don't worry. I'm like, okay, fine. So anyways, I wait 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Finally, the food's ready. It ended up being like almost a half hour later than the original ETA on Grubhub, and I felt so bad, but the people were really nice. So his name was Alex. So anyways, today I get another Grubhub for Denny's for Alex. My initial gut feeling was to not take it. Panda Express. Where's this one going? Where am I delivering this food? Oh, I better not take this one. This is going a different direction. It was $10, but it was going off in the other. I'll say I'm driving in the other direction. Anyways, so long story short, I get Alex again today, and I'm like, oh my God, I should just not take this. What's gonna happen? Anyways, I took it, Go there. Of course, the food's not ready. The guy's like, oh, 10 more minutes. I'm thinking, oh, great. So this is really going to be a half hour. But, okay, fine. I don't have anything else at the moment, so I'll go sit in my car. And I texted Alex. I'm like, oh, hi, it's Kim again. I think I'm bad luck for you guys. You know, I accepted your offer, but it's not ready yet. And the guy's like, don't worry. It's not a problem. Thank you for keeping us updated. I went back in, and I waited about 7 minutes, and I went back in. He's like, oh, just 2 more minutes. We're just boxing it up. I'm like, okay. So it took him about 5 minutes to box it up. But not a big deal. So, okay, got that. Dropped it off. That was like a $19 one. So that was cool. And then as soon as I was pulling out of the house there, I got an Urbane Cafe offer. And it looked like it was going to the neighborhood behind the hospital, but it was actually delivering to the hospital. But I didn't know that until after I accepted the food. I'm like, oh my God, now I'm going to the hospital. I hate delivering to the hospital. Nothing against the people working there. It's just a huge hassle. So when I was about 3 minutes away, I texted the customer and asked if they could meet me down by the main entrance to the hospital, you know, in the front little, this little roundabout area. I said, because I don't feel comfortable coming in the building. She's like, oh yeah, sure, no problem, blah, blah, blah. So then I, $8? No, thank you. Here's a Grubhub for $8. Love sushi. Oh my God, where is it delivering? Oh, Horrible Apartments. No, thank you. As you can tell, I hate apartments. Anyways, so long story short, of course, no one's standing out there when I get there. So I text her. She goes, oh, we'll be down in a minute. 12 minutes later, they came down. So for my $9 total, my $4 tip, I wasted quite a bit of time. But you know what? Is what it is. It's done. I learned my lesson. I'm going to look closer at the map. I'm not going to take anything in that neighborhood right there because it just wastes my time. Anyways, now I am going into Jersey Mike's. I've got like 3 more minutes, but I'll go see if it's ready. I don't think it's going to be, but I will go see. Okay, just dropped off that Jersey Mike's. It was ready when I went in, which was awesome. The person lived in a gated neighborhood and did not add the gate code, would not respond to my text or my voicemail that I left. It was 4.5 minutes and somebody else opened the gate, so I got to deliver the food. I kind of just didn't want to. Like, if you're expecting a delivery and you know you live in a gated community, put the code in. You don't want to put the code in? Okay, great. Answer your phone or respond to text. She still never has. So, that's pretty rotten. Anyways, it was a quick delivery. She lived right, not far from the gate. It was not a big deal. And then I got a $17 and something cent Grubhub for Lazy Dog. So I just went to Lazy Dog and picked that up. I had to wait, I don't know, about 5 minutes. It wasn't bad. I had to wait about 5 minutes also in line to check in that I was there. So maybe 10 minutes total. Not a big deal. Not bad. So I'm going to drop that off. And then we'll see what I get from there. Yeah, oh, it's perfect timing. So her original ETA was 1:08, and it is now 1:03, and it says I'll be there in 2 minutes. So, good. Okay, wow. So I did some more. Don't ask me what, because I don't remember. I delivered a Grubhub from Lazy Dog. She had in her delivery instructions not to deliver till 11:30, but I picked it up at like 1:05, and I got to her house at like 1:07. So I texted and I'm like, I'm here now. I know you don't want it till 1:30, but can I deliver now? She goes, oh yeah, deliver now. So I delivered. She came to the door. She goes, oh, I'm so sorry. That was an old note. I'm like, okay, great. I'm like, just so you're aware, we don't see those delivery instructions until we're on our way. And she goes, no, it's fine, it's fine. So anyways, that was like 17 something. And then, what else did I get? I feel like there was something else. Oh, no, I went and got lunch to this California fish grill. It's a new place. Nah, it's okay. I got some shrimp skewers and a side of Brussels sprouts. I know people hate Brussels sprouts, but I like them. They were fine. Nothing to write home about. I don't know if I'll go there again. But it was fine. So now I'm in the car wash. I'm just went to the drive-thru car wash right now. Anyways, so I got lunch and then I got a sugar box donuts. So I took that one because it was delivering right near my house, and I figured I would just go home afterwards. But then I decided my car needed a rinse, so I delivered over there. That was $12 and something. It was quick. Picked it up, dropped it off within like 10 minutes. And then I'm in the car wash. I don't know if you can hear it or not. All the alarms are going to go off in my car in a minute. You're too close to that. You're too close to this. I know it's annoying. I might turn this off. Okay, car's clean. Outside anyways. Well, I did vacuum. And I wiped off the windows with my chamois towel. So, looks nice. That's the only bad part about having a black car. Every little spot shows up. There's my glasses. Okay, so anyways, I think I'm gonna go home now. I had a good day. I have no idea how much I made. Lots of big orders, lots of small ones. I didn't take many small ones, but the only small one I took was the one where the lady wouldn't give me the gate code. That was a $7.75. I think the hospital one was a $9. I don't remember. Anyways, I'll put them all up on the screen so you'll see. But it was a good day. I enjoyed it. I drove a lot of miles, I think. Let's see. 49 miles already. Wow, that's a lot. So 49 miles. I started at I started at 10. I think I started at 10. It's 2 now. I don't know, 10, 10:30. Is that funny? I don't remember. We'll just say yeah, I've been 3 hours and 44 minutes. So 3 hours and 44 minutes. So I started about 10:15 then. Anyways, it's been good. I have no idea, like I said, how much I made, but I'll put it up here on the screen. I'm going home now.